Ramadan is a time for us to really recognize and understand and realize the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon all of us. Looking at our iftar tables, are we living in excess? This is a question that all of us need to ask ourselves. And if I'm living in excess and food is being thrown out and water is being wasted and the money that Allah Azza wa Jal has provided me with is not being spent in the correct way, this is a time that I need to change and that we need to change. Do not forget your brothers and sisters in Palestine, in Gaza, in Syria, in Lebanon, in Bangladesh, in Afghanistan, or in any other place where they are being oppressed around the world. I ask Allah Azza wa Jal to relieve them of their stress and to relieve us of this disease of consumerism and materialism. Use Ramadan to distance yourself from extravagance and excess. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.